Today I'm going to do an unboxing for a Sawgrass printer. I am so excited about this. If you have done sublimation before, I would actually love to hear that in the comments. I have not. So this is my very first experience with sublimation. So I have no idea what this printer looks like. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first thing is, it's interesting on the box, look at this. They have instructions directly on the box on how to take everything out. I think that's pretty genius, actually. Stuff on top here. True Pix Classic. I'm guessing this is paper. This is Caesar inks. Next, it says we're supposed to pull out the printer. All right, here we go. Push that over to the side. Oh my heavens, it's heavier than I thought. Oh, here are the cords, right here. And safety information. So I'm thinking I want to make a ton of t-shirts. I would also like to make some of those skinny tumblers. I think they look so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this around so you can see it. You guys see the front? So it looks like this is where we turn it on. Guess what? I got rid of the box, but the box had the instructions on it. Let me turn that around. Okay, it looks like I removed all the blue tape, all of these things. Oh, and there are like these little styrofoam pieces holding things in place. There's like, oh, this is where, okay, look. This is the whole thing with this blue tape so I can see where things are. Come over here to the side. This is the plug-in for the cord. So this particular Sawgrass is the SG500. And we do need something to heat this whole thing up. So I have yet to order something to heat these things up, like a heater for the tumbler, a heater for, you know, t-shirts. So I'm gonna get those things. This doesn't appear to work for this. This looks like it attaches to this one. What I'm so fascinated with PNG files is that, sublimation files is that you can use PNGs and JPEGs. So the more colorful, the better, and I won't be doing layers, which is what I currently do with SVG files. If you're here because you're a SVG person, which most of my people are, we like SVGs, it's kind of a pain if you have something really crazy to get it to do what you want it to do. Oh, there is an area, look at this. Okay, that's clever, look at that. You guys see that? So that your cord can fit through. That is clever. I wish other printers did that. Okay, that's nice, because then that will make it so it doesn't pull or anything. I can kind of see what's going on up here. But I think this is where, this appears where the ink goes. So ink. And I was just talking to my friend Sarah, so you can check out the podcast on this. But Sarah says like her ink lasts forever, like a really long time. So I'm really excited about that. Because it is, I think the ink is rather expensive, but if it lasts a long time, then that's pretty amazing. Okay, so they sent me, so it's like colors, do you see that? That it's like a different color. So this is the black, this is the blue, and there's a magenta, and I mean, the box colors, you guys, helpful. Yellow. So, I mean, it's just like another printer in that way. And guys, so here's the cool thing. I heard they have great great customer service. I have not watched the install, like I'm just messing around here. Like I have not watched the install or anything. Look at that, pretty straightforward. Okay, so let's open up this and then let's figure out how to put in the inks, right? Sounds pretty good. How about this? Can you guys see the inside of that box? I like that. Okay, I think this is my paper. It doesn't look different than any other paper, but I know it is. So it tells you what order. So it's black, then blue, then yellow. Seems really straightforward. So here's my black. I'm just gonna open this up. It is like an extremely large print cartridge, you know? And it has a date on it, which is crazy and awesome. So it looks like it's pretty straightforward. It's just gonna be up like this. The black is the first to go in. And it just pops in. That's pretty straightforward. I like anything that's straightforward. Just upright. Yellow. Here we go. Printer ink cartridge is in. Saying popped up. Fantastic. And then it says this is our tray down here. We just need to pull it out. Oh, that was straightforward. Just pull it out. Okay, and then we're supposed to put the paper in. Now, the thing I don't know with this paper, does it work on both sides? I guess I'm gonna find out, huh? Let's see. I mean, it looks like regular paper. It's kind of crazy. I'm gonna have to keep this separate from my other stuff. Here, I'm gonna pull this all the way out so you can see it. Do you see that? So it looks like I need to open this up. You can see, back and front. It has like a cute little arrow, green arrow here. You can open it up. We're gonna place the paper in here because I just wanna get it set up for always 8.5 by 11. Yes, okay. And I think we can just pop this back in. Huh, it looks like I know what I'm doing. And I don't. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so obvious. Right there. All right, popping that in. Okay. And then we're gonna plug it in and just turn this on. Okay, so power button. Here we go. Power button. It says you need to connect your computer, which I'm assuming is with this. I was thinking this is a printer cord, but that makes no sense. This is the printer, this goes to my computer. So I would hook this up to my computer and then print something out. I have no idea what it's doing right now. It's thinking about things. It's doing a test. Loading ink, first time, wait and do not touch the machine for 7 minutes. All right guys, for 7 minutes, I'm gonna let this bad boy do its thing. I am officially, I think, ready to go to actually set it up and print something. I'm not doing that today because I really want to do my onboarding. So I'm gonna do the onboarding and make sure that I'm good to go, I'm doing it right, and setting up files correctly, and downloaded the correct software. And then what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna order that skinny tumbler heat press and do a project with you guys. Actually, I'm gonna probably do a lot of projects with you guys. So just hold tight, make sure and subscribe to the channel if you wanna see more of me crafting. We're also doing tons of stuff with Ink Club. You're gonna wanna check that out, and I will see you guys soon.